Hello Macaulay. Welcome to our channel. Today nama Tata Harrier Oda review Pakalam. First nama engine and transmission Patha Pakalam. Engine type Pathing and a Cryotech 2.0L turbocharged. Engine displacement 1956 cubic centimeters Kuda Thurikanga. Fuel type diesel. Max power output Pathing and around 167.63 bhp at 3750 rpm. Max torque 350 Nm at 1750-2500 rpm. Emission norm Pathing and a BS6. Number of cylinders 4. Transmission manual and automatic. Kuda Thurikanga. Gearbox 6 speed. Drive type FWD paddle shift not available in Harrier. Next performance and fuel economy Patha Pakalam. Mileage, Array, 17 kmpl. Next brakes, steering, suspension and tires Patha Pakalam. Suspension front independent lower wishbone McPherson strut with coil spring and anti-roll bar. Suspension rear semi-independent twist blade with pan hard rod and coil spring. Brakes front disc. Brakes rear drum. Steering type powered Kuda Thurikanga. Tire size 235/70 R16. Wheel size R16. Tire type Pathing and a tubeless. Next interior dimensions Patha Pakalam. Seating capacity 5. Doors 5. Boot space 425 liters. Fuel capacity 50 liters. Next variants and price tag Patha Pakalam. XE variant Pathing and around 14.29 rupees lakh. XM variant Pathing and around 15.61 rupees lakh. XT variant Pathing and around 16.86 rupees lakh. XT Dark Edition variant Pathing and around 17.06 rupees lakh. Camo XT variant Pathing and around 17.06 rupees lakh. XT Plus variant Pathing and around 17.66 rupees lakh. Camo XT Plus variant Pathing and around 17.86 rupees lakh. XT Plus Dark Edition variant Pathing and around 17.86 rupees lakh. XZ variant Pathing and around 18.16 rupees lakh. XZ Dual Tone variant Pathing and around 18.35 rupees lakh. XZ Dark Edition variant Pathing and around 18.35 rupees lakh. Camo XZ variant Pathing and around 18.35 rupees lakh. XZ Plus variant Pathing and around 19.41 rupees lakh. Camo XZ Plus variant Pathing and around 19.60 rupees lakh. XZ Plus Dual Tone variant Pathing and around 19.60 rupees lakh. XZ Plus Dark Edition variant Pathing and around 19.60 rupees lakh. Next walk around view Pakalam. Next interior view Pakalam. This is Vinu Chakravarti signing off. Thank you. Save trees, save